DFW Pool Owner Group, it is time to find out who won the Polaris Epic 8642 IQ. That's this month's drawing. And got a couple of you I'm rooting for, but I can't wait to see who wins it. Well, a special shout out to our sponsors for this drawing. We have Fluidra, manufacturer of Jandy and Polaris Pool products. We got the Deep End Pool podcast and the How To Swimming Pool YouTube page. And of course, all your local pool works are sponsoring this giveaway. And DFW Pool Owner Groups, thank you very much for participating. And let's see who the winner is. Vanna.
This is funny. And
oh, come on.
is...
Oh, Chad Carter. Chad Carter. Congratulations. Next month's giveaway, and we'll get this posted soon. We'll post it every week. Next month's giveaway is going to be a Betta solar surface skimmer. It's the Betta SE Plus. Thank you all for participating, and I can't wait to see who wins next month's drawing.